Meaning of double action.
Double action.
Double action.
Double action.
Double action. The term double action is often used to describe firearms, particularly handguns. In this context, it means that the firearm's trigger serves two purposes: first, to cock the hammer or striker of the gun, and second, to release it and fire the shot. Therefore, each trigger pull performs two functions. This contrasts with a single-action firearm where the hammer or striker must be manually cocked before pulling the trigger. The double-action design allows for faster follow-up shots and can be safer when carrying a loaded gun with a round in the chamber.